Next, we're going to work on Manage Styles. So go ahead and open from your data files 11-2, and then we'll rename that as Mary Lee Profile. So go ahead and do that. So save this 11-2 as Mary Lee Profile with your documents, and then close out of this. And you should be back at your original one. And then the first thing we're going to do is make sure you click the Home tab, and then in the Styles group, click the dialog box launcher, and then we're going to choose Manage Styles, and then we'll choose Import Export. The first thing we'll do under the styles available in, where it says normal.dotm, you're going to close that file, so it takes it away completely. And then we'll choose Open File, and you'll get from where you save your documents. So you're going to where you save your documents, and you may not find it, so you have to choose All Word Templates. All Word Documents, not templates. Make sure it's not templates and it's documents. And then open up the one that you just saved, the Mary Lee Profile. And then so it's showing up here as a document. So now this is our list of styles. So if you scroll to trainer name, and it should be alphabetical. Trainer name. And then hold Control and click Workshop. So you're selecting both of those. So these two styles that you created in the Shaylee Dixon profile, you're going to copy them over to the Mary Lee profile. So choose Copy. And then we can close File and Save. And then close out of here. And then we'll go back and open up that document. So you'll open the file back up. So now you have the Mary Lee. And then we'll open up the style pane again. So click the dialog box launcher. And you'll notice in here it has the two, trainer name and workshops, have been copied over. So in this one, we'll select, you can close out of this, you'll select Resume Building, hold Control, Interview Skills, and then from the Styles group, you'll choose Workshop, and it'll put it in red that matches the other. And then Control Home. And we'll click Replace, and in the top one you'll type Mary, press Tab, replace with Mary, same name, but we're replacing the format. So choose More, and then under Format choose Style, and you're looking for trainer name, and then click OK, and you can see it's the bold, the color is the style 5. You'll see what's happening here. Then you'll click OK, and then replace all, 6 of them, and then click OK. And then you can close out of here, and this is a save and upload. Thank you.